the Ryobi one 18-volt cordless lawnmower and strimmer set, and I've only got a small, this is my mum's house, I've only got a small garden, one little patch of grass here, and there's just that little patch there, and just gone over it, and I'm quite surprised because this lawnmower actually comes with a mulching plug as well as a bag, and I've mulched the entire grass, the entire garden, and it's come out pretty well. It's only had a week's growth on it because it was cut last week, but even so, for a little cordless lawnmower to mulch it up as well as it has is quite amazing. Quite impressed with that. Tiny little bit under the deck there was, not a lot, but overall that's quite impressive. Little small cut, and I say it comes with a strimmer and an edger as well. It's a strimmer edger, and even that's pretty good. So let me see if I can. I haven't got a phone stand, so it's very hard to put you somewhere where you could actually see. We can have a quick go of the strimmer. I'll probably bring my phone there, but we'll have a go. You get a 4 ampere hour battery with it. That's not bad. That's not too bad. I've done the entire edge of the garden. I've not had to tap the string once, so what that string's made of I don't know, but it's cutting the grass there up, making an edge. Nice collection bag. Don't know what the collection bag's like because I've not used it, but overall it's got a little safety key as well. 5 adjustments, and we're actually on number 1 on the lowest setting, but do you know what, for a little lightweight cordless mower, that is not bad. Hell of a lot better than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, it was on offer, £199, 99 pence, something like that, delivered. I'd say one battery does both. Small garden, why not? Happy days. Happy days. I was quite surprised when it had a mulching plug in it. 33cm cut. Happy days.